It's your royal clasher here, Smith. Today now we are gonna start our part 2 of the barbarian attacks. Let's see how we can proceed our 3 attacks with our only barbarians. Let's see. One bomb down. Go to the headquarters. Yes, yes, yes. What the hell? He's just leading my troops into his town builder hut. I guess this is only a 1-star victory. It might not even be a victory. Oh no, no. One more building, one more. Yes, 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 you can do it, barbarians. Oh no. It was only 56 or 66%. Wow, we got victory. We both used the same troops and we got the victory. That was our first attack. Now let's proceed to our second one. Oh, please like if we can succeed in this battle. Yes, some barbarians there. One bomb. Oh no! He had the triple mortar there. Oh no, no. It's gonna destroy all of my troops. Please don't go to the crusher. No. Yes, yes, yes. Please head to the town hall. Town hall. Billard, please, please, please. No. Oh no. It was an epic fail. And 10 gems for nothing. Wow. Oh, he will win for sure. Defend my base. Defend my base. Oh no. Yes. Their range are pretty far. Oh yes, it's a 1-star victory. Now we are gonna waste more 10 gems, I guess. Oh no, it's 9. Oh no. I guess there's a giant bomb there. Yes. Our barbarians were able to be safe from that bomb. Yes, yes, yes. Head to the builder hut. Yes, you can do it. 2-star. We need a 2-star victory. Yes, 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 yes. Yes, yes, yes. Oh yes. It's a 2-star victory. Will we be able to win from this victory? Let's see. Oh, he's still attacking. What the hell is going on here? He's gonna 3-star my base. Oh no. Archer, please defend. What the hell is going with my internet? Oh, we lost. He's still attacking. What? It's still in pause. It's still the same way it was. I think we don't have the gem this time. If he only takes a few minutes more, I guess he's still attacking me. What's What the hell is going on here? The troops are in the same position they were. Oh no, they moved. Oh, it will be oh, we lost. I thought I would win for sure. Let's do once more. Oh God, please help us succeed. He has a crosser in that side. Now what do we do? Air defense is upgrading. I know. It should be a baby dragon attack. Yes. Oh, now we win for sure. I think barbarians are pretty less powerful than our baby dragons here. Attack! 3-star this base. Yes, yes, yes. Yes, 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 yes. 2-1. Yes, we won the match. Yes, it was a perfect 3-star. I think this is much for today, guys. Please subscribe my channel and like as well as comment down below. I would like to hear good comments from you guys and more subscriptions. Thank you, guys. Peace out, Smith.